Y'all know the scariest part about me turning 40 this year is that I still feel like a kid and that I am not attracted to older men at all. Just like men have the right to like not like, fat dark skinned women like me. I like when an old man, and when I say old, y'all, I'm talking like 45, 45 and up. When they try to talk to me, I'm like, what is he lost? And don't let a man with a full gray beard try to grab me. Like, I am a child. Somebody call my mom. Like, what the hell, man?
Have a good day.